Hello, Max. How are you doing today? Welcome to JR Studio. We have one friend today. Is that a robot? Is it your friend robot? Oh, do you like robot friends? We all gonna do some drawing and painting today? Okay. Hello, hi, this is Mrs. Yun from J Art Studio. Today we are making a monster out of a glove. Okay, so let me tell you what we need first. We need a crayon and eraser, Sharpie marker, pencil, scissor, Elmer's glue, tape, and color papers. Importantly, we need a glove, but this glove has to be latex glove. It has to be stretched, okay? But make sure you get the brand new gloves, okay? Brand new glove. So you gotta ask your parents about where you get the brand new glove, and your parents gonna make a balloon for you, okay? So let's see. So we got the glove like that, and all you need to do is open up like this, okay, and then blow through here, okay? Oops. Then it comes out. Okay, so it look like a chicken head or something. What kind of monster is gonna come out from here? Oh, we forgot. Don't forget to getting a paper cup. Okay, so with a paper cup, I want you to find the center and poke it just a little bit like that, okay? And we're gonna put it through this one in here. Okay, then it comes out like this. All right, now on here, we use a Sharpie marker. I'm gonna draw the face. Now we're gonna make a bow tie using a marker, and we're gonna cut out. Also use crayons to color in a little bit, draw some lines, and tape down. Now I'm gonna make some hairs by drawing a lines with the markers, and then you're gonna cut out. But again, hairstyle doesn't have to be straight long hairs. You can make curly hairs and also brown color hairs or orange color hairs. And then get a long strip tape, turn upside down, have a sticky side up. But be careful, the tape might stick on your fingers. Okay, now we give some hairs to the monster and see how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a little donut shape that goes onto the nose and maybe look like a nose ring or color around the nose and see how they look. Oh, that's interesting. I like it. That you can glue down. Again, you can do more decoration by using different color papers. Now I'm going to use the same color to make a clothes or body color. Again, you can do any types of design, or you can even make arms. So make a different types of monster. Looks pretty good. I like it, how it came out. Don't forget using clean glove. Then bye-bye.